Want to customize your Roblox avatar? Your avatar represents you across Roblox, and you can personalize it with different clothing, accessories, animations, hairstyles, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize your Roblox avatar step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Roblox account. From the home page, click the Avatar or Avatar Editor section in the navigation menu. This is where you can view and customize your character. Next, browse your available clothing, hats, glasses, faces, hairstyles, and accessories. Simply click an item to equip it. You can mix and match different items to create a unique look for your character. Now open the appearance options to change your avatar's body style, skin tone, head shape, animations, or other available features. The options you see may vary depending on your account and the items you own. If you'd like even more customization options, visit the Roblox Marketplace. Here you can browse free and paid avatar items, including clothing, accessories, bundles, emotes, and animations. Review each item's details before adding it to your collection. Finally, review your avatar from different angles to make sure you're happy with the new look. Any changes you apply are saved automatically, so your updated avatar will appear in supported Roblox experiences. And that's how to customize your Roblox avatar. With just a few changes, you can create a unique character that reflects your personal style while exploring millions of Roblox experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.